Hi guys! So, in today's video we are going to learn 4 reasons why Canva is the best by Miss Connie. So, the objective is to understand how to use Canva by identifying its main advantages to design a poster about an outstanding person. In this video, we will identify what Canva is, get to know its interface and tools, get to know its advantages for our project, and get to know the graded activity for this month with some pieces of advice. So let's start. What is Canva? Canva is a very popular web page that offers online tools to create posters, presentations, logos, etc. It has free and paid versions with more than 5,000 templates. Isn't that awesome? So let's check the interface and tools that Canva offers us. First of all, you have to create an account on canva.com. After you create your account, this is the interface that you will find. Here you have templates, features, and how to use Canva, like a mini tutorial. The important part here is over there. Create a design. When you click on there, you have different options. You can create a video presentation, infographic, resume, presentation, logo, etc. The important one is this one, poster. So you click there. After that, you're going to take a look at this page. In this page, you can create your poster. Amazing. So here you have some templates. For example, I don't know, I want to use this one. So I click on it and automatically I have all the designs in here. So I can change the information. For example, I can write, I don't know, Jane Austen. I don't like the font. Okay, no problem. So I can change it over here. Let's use, I don't know, Anton. Yeah, that's better. I can change the size of the font. Maybe it's too big. I don't know. Okay, that's better. I can change the color of the text. I can use all of these tools. I can add effects, for example. Ah, that's awesome. I can change the position by moving this text over here. And well, that's for the templates. You can also put some photos. You can write something, for example, I don't know, book. So let's check. I like this one. So I put it over here and I can move it, etc. I also have some elements that I can use. Shapes, stickers that also move, right? Etc. You have many examples. Let's use this flower. So this flower goes over here. Then we have some text. I can add a heading, a subheading, or a body text with different styles. I can also add music, but we are not going to use music in a poster, right? If you want to start from zero, you can use a background color, for example, this one, and I can erase all those things. I can delete, so I just want one color in my poster. Okay, so that's the thing. When you are ready, you have to press down here, download, and here you have many options. Since it's a poster, you have to choose PNG and then download. The Canva page is preparing your design, and let's check. So our design is over here. Wasn't that awesome? So let's continue. What are the 4 advantages of using Canva for a project? Number 1, it offers pre-made templates, even with free plan. You saw it, right? Number 2, It's a user-friendly platform, meaning that you don't need to be an expert on apps to use it. Number 3, it automatically saves all your designs in case your computer turns off. That's going to save us, right? And number 4, it is flexible. You can create your own designs if you want. Now let's move on to the graded activity. So based on the questions that you answered about an outstanding person in arts, science, or literature, now you have to create a poster summarizing all that information by using Canva. So let's check some pieces of advice. Number 1, be concise. You have to summarize all that information so your poster is great to see. Number 2, be creative. You can use different pictures, fonts, styles, etc. Further instruction on Google Classroom. So, finally, let's make a short summary. So in this video, we have just learned that Canva is a wonderful tool to create posters because it is easy to use and it allows us to be super creative. By using Canva, you can create your poster about the outstanding person that you chose. Careful! Check Google Classroom for more information about the rubric, the due date, etc. You can do it! So, have a nice day. See you around. Bye bye.